Welcome back. Today we are buying NFTs on SEI using Compass Wallet and Magic Eden. An NFT is like owning a unique digital item, like a piece of art, a song, or even other things. It's like having a special digital trading card and it's stored on a blockchain. This means your NFT is the unique one and you are the only one who owns it. You need to download Compass Wallet and buy SEI from an exchange. Then you go to Magic Eden and connect your Compass Wallet. Then you have to browse for SEI NFTs and look which one have some extra benefits from it. After you buying it, you wait for the transaction and then view it in your wallet. Buying on SEI with Compass and Magic Eden is really easy. Remember, some NFTs offer more than art. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe for more. See you next time.